way. You don't boss so. I tell you say Gozie okeke must talk now. No be man him be. He must talk. See as Baba they cry. See as Odogwu they cry. Odogwu they in pain since all they just they torture this guy. See what this guy got to say. The guy they cry, since they talk, they cry. He better to live than to pine. Marriage no be bondage. If you help me share this, to watch him.
How I don't suffer. I have something to say. And what I'm about to say may shock you. Some of you may not like what I'm about to say, but I'm sorry. I've been waiting for this time, for a time like this to say this. It's high time I open up. Instead of someone dying in silence, how long will I keep on waiting to say this? I can't keep waiting anymore. I need to say it. Anywhere you are, can you just give me audience? All you need to do for me is to share this post, share this open confession that I'm about to make. Why I decided to divorce. Many of you has been waiting for me to say something. Many has been throwing words in my mouth. Many has been forcing me to say something, but I refuse to say something. But now I have made up my mind to say something. You know, in life it is not good to keep hearing from one side without hearing from the other side. At times, when you hear from this side, you hear from this side. As many of you that are waiting to hear from me, I am out. I want to speak out. I will not keep dying in silence. I want to keep out. I want to say something. I want to say something. All you need to do for me is to share this live, share this post. I mean to say, make sure that you share this post so that everybody will hear, will see it. You know, in life, this life, no balance at all. The life, no balance. The life, no balance. So, not at all. The life, no balance. But I don't go kill myself. I have to. I've been enduring for so long, but now I want to say something. I want to say something. I have tried to keep this thing inside of me. I have tried to keep this secret, but I can no longer keep it. It's killing me slowly. It's killing me. I need to say something. I need to say something. If you look at my face, I am very, very, very angry. I need to say something. Somebody should hear me. I need to say something. I don't want to take much of your time, but I need to say something. All you need to do is to just give me your ear to hear what I want to say. What do I really want to say? Prince Gozie, can you say this? Can you say this? Can you say this? Yes. I'll have to say it. Why I decided to divorce. I'll say it. Yeah, I'll say it. I'll say it.